Welcome to Beauty Voyage, your ultimate travel guide to the most captivating destinations around the world. Today, we're embarking on an exciting shopping adventure in the heart of Istanbul, exploring the vibrant Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar, or Kapalıçarşı, is a paradise for shopaholics, a treasure trove of Turkish craftsmanship, and a must-visit destination for every traveler. Let's dive into this enchanting maze of shopping delights and uncover some tips and tricks along the way. First things first, let's talk about authentic souvenirs, those unique keepsakes that truly capture the spirit of Turkey. One of the most sought-after souvenirs here are the exquisite Turkish carpets. These handwoven beauties are crafted with intricate designs and vibrant colors, making them a perfect addition to any home. To get the best deal on a Turkish carpet, consider buying in bulk. Many shop owners are open to negotiation when purchasing multiple items, and you may be surprised to find yourself paying only half the price. Just imagine the joy of bringing home a stunning collection of carpets without breaking the bank. Another authentic souvenir that shouldn't be missed is Turkish ceramics. These intricately hand-painted plates, bowls, and tiles showcase the rich artistic heritage of Turkey. When shopping for ceramics, don't be afraid to ask for a discount, especially if you're buying multiple pieces. Bargaining is part of the culture here. Cut to the narrator engaging in a friendly negotiation with a shopkeeper. Speaking of bargaining, let me share some tips and tricks to help you master the art of getting the best price. First, be friendly and build rapport with the shopkeeper. It sets a positive tone for the negotiation. Second, start with a counteroffer that's considerably lower than the initial price. You can aim for around half the price and work your way up from there. Show footage of the narrator bargaining successfully. Remember, bargaining is a dance, a conversation between two parties. Be willing to compromise, and don't be discouraged if a deal doesn't work out. You can always politely thank the shopkeeper and continue exploring the bazaar. There's always another shop waiting to offer you a better price. Amidst all the shopping excitement, don't forget to treat yourself to some mouth-watering Turkish delights. These sugary confections come in a variety of flavors, like pistachio, rose, and honey. They make for the perfect sweet indulgence as you explore the Grand Bazaar. And what better way to recharge than with a cup of authentic Turkish tea? Many shops offer complimentary tea as a gesture of hospitality, so take a moment to relax, enjoy the aromatic flavors, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of the bazaar. Before we wrap up our shopping adventure, let's not forget about the incredible array of spices available here. From aromatic saffron to flavorful sumac, the Grand Bazaar is a paradise for food enthusiasts and culinary explorers. Take home some of these spices and elevate your cooking to new heights. The narrator standing in front of the Grand Bazaar. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable shopping journey through Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. We hope you've enjoyed our tips and tricks for a successful shopping adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Voyage for more travel inspiration and join us on our next adventure. Happy travels! Subscribe to Beauty Voyage for more travel inspiration. Welcome.